Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be an unboxing of my Apple Pig leather art traveler's notebook. It's a custom notebook, and I was inspired by a video that I saw on YouTube from Nicolasa, and she was mentioning that a Facebook user in the Facebook group was the one that originated this, I guess, custom design. And so I reached out to her. Her name is Ophelia Dano, and I reached out to her asking about this custom design, and I was really glad that I was able to get some pointers from her. But I chose the Mr. Potato, and I asked Ting in advance if it's possible to thin down the Mr. Potato leather, and it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous leather cover. It's very smooth, which I absolutely like. I love smooth leathers, and you can see here the difference between the actual Mr. Potato thickness and the thickness that Ting was able to do. There are 4 elastics, and then there is, of course, the elastic closure in the middle that is reinforced with that leather piece. And then there, I'm just pointing out the stitching where he ends his stitching. The pockets, of course, are also thinned down. So this whole notebook in general, it may seem a little heavy, but it's not at all heavy. There is a zipper pouch that is perfect for cards and coins if you want to keep them in there. I did ask Ting to place a couple of fountain pens in there and to see if the closure would fit properly. I don't know if that makes sense, but I did ask Ting to put at least 2 fountain pens in that pocket to see if it would fit, and that's what he did, and it fits so nicely. This is in the B6 Slim size. That is a basic slim notebook that you see there. It is the Midori one. It is the monthly B6 Slim size. I was housing it in my Sojourner Roadrunner. You can see the size difference. I'm thinking Apple Pig runs a little bit bigger. I'm not very familiar with Apple Pig just yet. I'm actually starting to get into it, but I think it runs a little bit bigger. I measure there, it's about 3 centimeters wider than the Sojourner B6 Slim. And actually I'm not sure if, yes, I did film a video at the end sharing with you that I actually stuck 2 Hobonichi Weeks cover notebooks in this, and you could stuff a whole bunch in this B6 Slim. I really like the cover. I really like the texture of it, like how smooth it is. I really like how lightweight it is as well. The fact that you can stick cards and coins in that little zipper pouch, along with some pens that you use for your notebooks, and then the 2 secretarial pockets on the front and the back. If you want a customization, I highly recommend you reach out to Ting. He will definitely tell you what to choose on his Etsy shop. Here I'm just shaking it because I wanted to share with you, or I wanted to see if any of the pens would fall out if I shook it. And they slip down, but they don't fall out at all because the magnet is very, very strong and secure, and with the elastic band around, it makes it even more secure. So that is the quick unboxing. I wanted to film this really quickly because he opens up during certain times, and I feel like I want to post this while he's open so that you could take a look at his shop. Once his Etsy shop closes, then it's difficult to take a look at his products. But yeah, so he opens up for a certain amount of time until he reaches a certain amount of orders, and then he fulfills all of his orders, and then he opens up his shop again. So he just opened up, I believe, yesterday, and I really wanted to. Yesterday was the 30th, I think, so I really wanted to post this quickly and let you know that he is open. So here are just some close-up shots, and I will also insert a clip of the comparison of the other leather covers that I have from him. I haven't even edited the Sun wallet customization that I got It's on the far left, but there's that, and then there's the middle one there, which is in the honey beagle, and then the one here on the right is the Mr. Potato. So I wanted to show you the color difference. You can see I inserted a weeks and the B6 Slim, and that fits. Right now I actually have 2 weeks in there because I need to transfer my information, and I'm going to be going to my in-laws, and I know I will have time there just kind of sitting around lounging. So I really want to transfer my information there at their house. So I have 2 weeks in there. The leather, once it's thinned out, is very, very flexible, but it's not at all floppy like Honey Beagle is. It's nicely structured, and I really like this Mr. Potato thinned down leather. It really, really appeals to me. So once again, that's the color comparison, the Sun from the far right, and then in the middle is the Honey Beagle, and then on the far left is the Mr. Potato. So that is it. That is a really quick unboxing video and very poorly edited. I'm very sorry, but I really wanted to post this while he is still open. I wanted to wish you a very merry, happy new year, and thank you so much for a wonderful 2019. I am very excited for the new year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.